This acoustic violin has been with me since I was 12 years old. It's the only acoustic I really trust and keep with me throughout the years. I've added some gold leaf. It's in for a repair job right now. Got scratched and it got dropped about a year ago, and I know the low G string has been kind of suffering, and I found out why. Because my fancy bass bar, the experimental one that I put in there, has a crack in it. Here's it here. The crack. It's not making the low string vibrate right. So I'm going to repair that. Taking the top off is never pretty. I got a couple extra little cracks in it, taking it off. This is from the late 1800s probably, this violin. It's nothing too special. It's a Stradivarius copy. And over the 100 or so, 25 years or so, the neck has gradually been sinking. So I'm going to put a little shim in the neck joint and give the neck a new tilt. Maybe to get a little more volume out of the instrument, because the strings, when they bend over the bridge, will press a little harder on the top, like a little more tone out of it. So, but it's open heart surgery, major stuff. We'll go back together and we'll play again. I've been gradually improving on the gold leaf. I did that about 15 years ago, I think. And it was time for an update. I'll keep you posted.